Divorce. Oh, a messy, difficult situation for everybody involved. And sometimes it produces situations that you never thought would come into existence. That's what brings us into this week's case. It involves a man and a woman going through divorce. They went through the divorce, and then following divorce, after everything's final, after all the various judgments have been entered, after everything's been worked out on the property, after the orders with regard to spousal support, everything's taken care of, she sues him again for injury she contends that she had during the marriage as a result of spousal abuse. He says, wait a second. That was all resolved in the divorce action. You raised that issue of spousal abuse in the divorce action. It was all litigated. That's why the property settlement went the way it went. That's why spousal support has been ordered. That's why child custody has gone the way it's gone. So the whole issue of spousal abuse has already been taken care of through the divorce action. So just drop it. Well, she didn't. It went forward. Trial court agreed with husband and said all of those issues were litigated in the divorce action. Therefore, you, wife, ex-wife, do not have a claim. Well, she didn't like that, and through her attorney, she appealed it, went up to a state appellate court in California. And there, the court looked at it and said, well, here's the situation. We had one case, the divorce. That case dealt with bringing it into the marriage. It dealt with the property from the marriage. It dealt with child custody. It dealt with spousal support. It dealt with all of those issues. And yes, those issues were influenced by the allegations of spousal abuse, but the actual damages for spousal abuse in terms of any award of money was never made here. It was all worked out through the divorce court as to simple divorce. Therefore, we, the appellate court, agree that you, ex-wife, do have a cause of action against your ex-husband for the kind of injuries you suffered during the marriage when you were subjected to allegedly spousal abuse. Okay, so what's the point of this? Well, the point of this is that when a divorce takes place, you want to wrap up everything that you can wrap up in that divorce proceedings. And in this instance, he could have gotten an agreement from the wife as part of the marital settlement that she would not bring any claim against him later for any allegations of spousal abuse. He didn't get that, obviously. She kept those claims, and the court said was able to bring them after the divorce was all over. All right. Well, this is another lesson. Some of these lessons are somewhat bitter for the people involved, but this is another lesson. And I share it with you so you can see the lessons that the law teaches us, so you can understand how to make the law work for you. I'm David Allen.